Alfred Camera. Home Security is a versatile mobile application designed for Android devices that transform smartphones into security cameras. This innovative app allows users to monitor their homes in real time through live video streaming, enabling remote surveillance from anywhere, which offers peace of mind for homeowners. With features such as motion detection alerts, users are immediately notified of any unusual activity, enhancing the overall security of their property. Additionally, the app includes two-way audio, allowing for direct communication with anyone on the other end, which can be particularly useful for interacting with pets or visitors. Night vision capabilities ensure that monitoring continues even in low-light conditions, providing comprehensive coverage. The app also supports cloud storage for recorded footage, allowing users to review past events easily and ensuring that important moments are never missed. User-friendly and accessible, Alfred Camera is an effective tool for anyone looking to enhance their home security without investing in expensive equipment, making it a popular choice among those seeking a cost-effective solution.